The Sony A90J OLED is the best TV for streaming if you tend to watch a lot of movies. Although all OLEDs deliver the same perfect black levels without any blooming, this one stands out versus the LG C1 OLED because it gets brighter. So highlights in HDR are vivid and pop more. It means it's fantastic for watching movies in dark rooms. Whether you are watching content in SDR or HDR, it displays a wide range of colors and has excellent out-of-the-box accuracy. So you won't need to get it calibrated to enjoy it to the fullest. It also has amazing gradient handling, meaning you won't see any banding in scenes with shades of similar colors like a sunset, and it doesn't have any trouble upscaling lower resolution content like from DVDs and Blu-rays. The built-in Google TV is an upgraded version of the Android TV platform that the Hisense U8G has. It's essentially the same with a few added features to improve the user experience, and the interface responds quickly to your actions. The remote even has motion-activated backlighting that makes it easy to see the buttons while you are watching movies in the dark. The Sony A90J OLED is a subtype of WOLED and it has 4K resolution, and the size variants are 55-inch, 65-inch and 83 inches. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Best Buy for your day-to-day top-notch commodities.